it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little Fashion Nova haul for you guys. I have filmed this already and I did not like how it turned out at all, so here I am going for round 2. The reason why I didn't like how it looked was because I wasn't wearing any shapewear, and now I am, and I'm still like not 100% happy with how I'm looking in this dress. I haven't tried the other ones on yet. Mainly just the bodycon dresses is the ones that I'm having issues with. I'll insert the footage of the old video where necessary, and then put in the footage of this one. So there's gonna be 2 sets of footage. Maybe you'll see a difference, maybe you won't, we'll see. But here is the Jackie dress. I got this in a size 2X. It is a really nice dress. Without shapewear, it was so much worse. So it is a really cute dress. I would totally get the black one, and they had a striped one I think last fall, so if they come out with that one again, I would probably get it, and I would probably wear it with some shapewear. I really don't like wearing shapewear, but I dug through my closet and found it for you guys so I could wear it in this video. You can still see a little bit of my belly line, like right here. I can't see it in this mirror, but you guys can see it more because we're facing the light this way. When I turn this way, I can't see it, but you guys can. But I really like it. It's such a cute dress. I really wish that I liked how it looked more on my body, but eventually I will. As of now, just objectively, as a dress, it is really good. It's very stretchy. Body portion, not the arms, but the rest of the body has a lining, and the lining is like sewn together with the dress. It's also really stretchy. It just makes everything feel so much thicker and more well made, so it's really good. This dress is obviously like super famous at this point because everybody has this dress. I saw Loie Lane wear it so many times, and it's really short on her. It's not as short on me, but she is also like a lot taller than I am. I think she's like 5'7" or close to like 5'8". I'm just under 5'4", so she's got a few inches on me. If you can pull off bodycon dresses and you like the way you look in them and you feel comfortable, then I highly suggest this one or any of the other colors of the Jackie dress. They have black, they have this really pretty pink color. I hope they come out with the striped purple one again because that one was super cute. I'm pretty sure these ones are like $25, and for the quality, it is pretty good for $25. So next, on to the next bodycon dress. And that'll be the end of bodycon dresses, that's for sure. Alright guys, here's the second and last bodycon dress. So I was really excited for this one because I've actually been trying to get it for like about a year now. Well, not like constantly. The first time I tried to get it was probably a year ago because I saw Sarah Ray Vargas wearing it, and she looks amazing in bodycon dresses. I don't know, that girl just looks beautiful and everything. But I saw her wearing this dress and I felt like I really needed it in my life. It's called the High School Sweetheart dress, and it's adorable. And after a while of me trying to get it, I just stopped trying because I could never get my hands on it because it was always sold out, or I was just about to buy it and then it got sold out. So it was very disappointing. So I was able to order it in a 2X, and then the 2X ended up being quite large on me. So sizing wise for Fashion Nova is still up in the air. I don't know exactly how to do it, but I ended up ordering it again because when I ordered stuff from Fashion Nova, it was a buy one get one free sale. I just really love this dress. I know I said this already with the first one, so it's the same thing. Like, it doesn't look the best on me at the moment, I feel, but with working out and everything, it will eventually look better, and I am going to love wearing this dress because it's so cute. I recently like really got deep into Riverdale. I finished all 3 seasons in like 2 weeks and yeah, I was just obsessed. Whenever I was doing anything around the house, I had my phone with me and I was just listening to or watching Riverdale the whole time. The reason why I bring up Riverdale is because their school colors are blue, white, and yellow, or blue, white, and gold, maybe? I don't know. But it's really cute. I really love it. I love the off-the-shoulder detail. It's coming a little high on me right now. You get the idea. It's cute. I like it. And I highly recommend this dress. It feels a bit warmer than the Jacklyn dress, and I guess technically this one is a sweater dress. It is ribbed, and you can definitely size down because I got a 2X in the Jacklyn dress, but I got an extra large in this one, and it stretches really well. So you could always size down. If they don't have your regular size, you can size down. Super stretchy and really cute. The next piece is this little romper. How cute is this? And it actually has a lot of coverage. Like, it's fairly long. This is pretty long for a romper especially. This is like, it looks like a dress. I feel like if I didn't tell you it was a romper, you probably wouldn't know it was a romper. It bunches up a little bit too much between the legs. It's really cute, very comfortable. It has like a little cutout here. The straps are adjustable. I have not adjusted them yet, but I am going to adjust them to be a little higher so that my strapless bra is actually covered. So a little bit higher, fix that a bit. It's really cute. The only thing that could make this better would be pockets. This would look really cute with a pair of wedges and like maybe like one of those long kimono things. That would be really cute. I would just wear it with stickers, honestly, and throw like a jean jacket over it. Really cute. I don't remember how much this cost, but as long as everything is available, I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. I got this in a 2X. Theoretically, I could have sized down. However, it would have made the bunching up factor a bit worse, I believe. So yeah, 2X works for me. I usually size up when I buy rompers because rompers are a little less forgiving than dresses are. And the print is so cute. It's floral print. And the darker spots go with my hair. This always happens. It's great. Probably because I dye my hair so many different colors that something's bound to match at some point. Alright, the next dress matches my eyeshadow. Huh? Huh? How cute. So it's this little floral mini dress. I don't know what kind of flowers these are supposed to be, but they're yellow. I zoomed you guys in too far. So like I was saying, really, really cute little mini dress. I am in love with it. Once again, I don't remember how much this cost, but I actually got this in, what size are you? I got this dress in a 1X. Since this is a fit and flare dress, I stuck with my regular size and it worked out perfectly. There is this lace-up detail on the back. Has a little cutout thingy going on here. You can see my back fat. Not cool. But I really wasn't worried about that because I do plan on wearing it with a denim jacket just to make it a little bit more casual because that's how I usually dress. I'm not like super dressy. I love wearing dresses, but I don't like making them look too formal. Great dress. Like I said, got in a 1X. I don't remember how much it was, but it will be linked down below. And of course, not the shirt, the pants. I had to get a pair of the Canopy jeans because everybody and their grandmother always says that the Canopy jeans are so incredible. And you know what? They don't feel like jeans. These feel like yoga pants, but with a little bit more structure. Huh? I don't know why I keep on doing this, but it feels comfortable. Like, these are actually really comfortable. What size did I get? What size are you? I'm usually a size 16, and so I got this in a size 2X because I did read that sometimes they run small. So works for me. 2X works for me. However, they are very long. They are not short girl friendly. And do you see where the rips, the knee, this dressing is? Below my knee. When I'm standing straight, it is below my knee, and it drives me absolutely insane. But such is the life of somebody with short legs. But it's good. I like it. Would I buy more? Probably not. Simply because there are no front pockets and the back pockets are okay. But it's just, I don't know. I'm not like super impressed. They are very comfortable, but maybe it's just the slits in the knees that are really turning me off. Finally, the last thing is this pair of biker shorts. I am not a big fan of these biker shorts because they don't go up all the way. When I pull them up, you guys can't really see because my underwear is also black, but that's where they end, and the top of my butt is like right here. My underwear goes a little bit higher than that, but it's like right here, and this doesn't go high enough to cover that, and I find that to be extremely uncomfortable. That also means that it cuts off at a weird place on my tummy that makes me look extra lumpy, and I don't appreciate that either. I do like how they fit in the leg. That is really nice because they don't squeeze too much, but they are a little longer than I would have liked them to be. I wish that they went higher because that would make it a lot more comfortable. But all in all, they're not bad. If you are smaller, then it will probably work for you, but these aren't for me. Also, like, they're too shiny. I would rather have like plain cotton, you know, like not shiny at all. Very low profile. But I do like the lace. The lace isn't itchy or anything. It is stretchy lace. Really nice. So that's something that they got right. This isn't for me, but maybe it could be for you, especially if you have like a smaller butt. But this just, it doesn't cover my butt. And I'm surprised about that because Fashion Nova seems to cater to very curvy women. What size did I get this in? Did I tell you guys what size this was? I got this in a size 1X. Had I gone up to 2X, maybe it would have gone higher, but I believe the legs would have been too big at that point. That is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, by the way, I also bought 2 bodysuits. I got them in a 2X, I believe, and they were way too small. Like, it was a joke. They would not get on my body. They were like child size small. That's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every week, so I hope you guys stick around for those because I would love to have you as part of my tiny little growing YouTube family. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.